Hello everyone, this is Alpa Ludaya Dayani from IBT Malad, Mumbai. Today I have come up with the topic Spot the Error. The students those who are appearing competitive exams generally face more difficulties in solving spot the error questions. So I thought why not make a short video and just solve randomly. I have taken 10 questions and we will solve it and we will just see where the error exactly is. And these questions come for these questions are very important, so they come for good marks. Okay, here you can see that the question is divided into 5 parts. Okay, the thief had hardly put the cash in his pocket, then the owner woke up, and the part E is no error. Okay, here first you have to see, guys, read the sentence very carefully in spot the error questions. The thief had hardly put the cash in his pocket, then the owner woke up. No error. You have to read one part accordingly and you have to spot the error in which part the error exactly is. Okay. So first, here you can see that the thief had hardly. Hardly is a conjunction, right? Hardly should always be followed by when and not by then. This is a rule of conjunction. Okay, so here you can see the thief had hardly put the cash in his pocket, then. Hardly is followed by then, but it is wrong. So here you have to put hardly is always followed by when. Hardly put the cash in his pocket when the owner woke up. So here the error is in the part D. Okay, so you have to replace then by when. Let's come to the question number 2. Okay, here you can see the sentence is divided by A, B, C and D. In which part the error is, we have to find out. Okay, no sooner did the sun rise when we took a tasty breakfast and resumed the journey. No error. Now see, this is again a conjunction question. No sooner should always be followed by then, not by when. This is a rule of conjunction. No sooner is followed by then. Here you can see it is followed by when. So here the error is in the part B. Okay. So no sooner did the sun rise, then we took a tasty breakfast and resumed the journey. So error is in part B. Let's see the third question. Yes, you always come lately to the class. No error. You always come lately. Lately is a wrong word here. Lately means recently, but here lately is a wrong word. So here you have to put late. Late is a correct word over here. So error is in part B. You have to just go through the one part and you have to see in which part the error is. You always come lately to the class. This is a wrong word over here. So you have to put late here. Lately means recently. You have to put late. So late is the correct word here. Okay. Let's see the third question. Kolkata is further from Alwar than Jaipur, the capital of Rajasthan. And no error. Here you can see again the sentence is divided into 5 parts. Okay. Okay, Kolkata is further. Further means additional or more. But here further is denoting distance. But it is a wrong word. So here you have to write farther. Farther means it denotes distance in space. Okay. So here you have to write farther, not further. Further means additional or more, and farther is like denotes more distance in space. So farther is the correct word here. So the error is in part A. I hope you are understanding. Okay, you are getting me. Kolkata is farther from Alwar than Jaipur, the capital of Rajasthan. So error is in part A. Okay, let's come to the next question. Ram is junior than Shyam and Ram is older than Ganesh. No error. Again we have to read the sentence very carefully. Ram is junior than. First of all, see, guys, the adjectives that are ending with IOR words are always followed by preposition to. So here then is a wrong word, junior to. Okay. So see, the adjectives, those adjectives which are followed by IOR, suppose junior to, superior to, prior to, inferior to, these all are adjectives which are ending up with IOR. So it should always be followed by to. So junior, 2 will be the correct word here. So replace then by 2. So the error is in part A. Okay, I hope you are getting me. Let's come to the 6th question. He asked for permission to go to the cinema, but his mother did not give. No error. Okay. See guys, here you can see again we are reading the sentence carefully. He asked for permission to go to the cinema, but his mother did not give. See, give is a transitive verb which always have an object after it. Remember guys, transitive verb always have an object after it. So give, here there is no object after give word. So give is a transitive verb, should always have an object after it. So we have to write it after give. Again we will read the sentence after correcting it. So the error is in part D. Okay, here you have to write give it. He asked for permission to go to the cinema, but his mother did not give it. Okay, I hope you are getting me. Now we'll come to the 7th question. Yes, the car flew off the road and fell into the valley because Ashish was driving faster. No error. Here again the sentence is divided into 5 parts. You have to read the sentence very carefully. The car flew off the road and fell into the valley because Ashish was driving faster. See guys, here there is no comparison made. So only positive degree should be used, but here they have used comparative degree. But here no comparison is made. Only they are talking about Ashish. Ashish was driving fast, not faster. So you have to replace faster by fast. Here you have to add faster, not here you have to add fast and not faster. Again I will repeat. The car flew off the road and fell into the valley because Ashish was driving fast, not faster. Because no comparison has been made here, and so only positive degree should be used. Here they have used comparative degree, which is wrong. Okay, let's come to the 8th question. He is enough tall to be selected as sub-inspector in Delhi police, and no error. Okay, I'll tell you one thing, that always enough comes after an adjective. Here tall is adjective, right? So tall should come before and enough we should put after adjective. So put enough after tall. I hope you are getting me again. He is tall enough to be selected as sub-inspector in Delhi police. So the error is in part A. He is tall enough. Okay. Let's see question number 9th. Her black long hair adds glamour to her looks. No error. Actually there is a correct order of adjectives. Like always the size comes before the color. Okay. So her long black hair adds glamour to her looks. Okay. Her long black hair adds glamour to her looks, because the correct order is the size comes before the color. So you have to replace black long with long black. Long will come before black. Okay. Let's come to the last question. Sohanlal is the richest of the two, and no error. Replace richest by richer. Richest is the superlative degree. They have used superlative degree here, but here the comparison is made between the two persons. So here comparative degree should be used. Sohanlal is the richer of the two, because they have used superlative degree. So we have to replace richer. We have to replace richest by richer. Okay. Sohanlal is the richer of the two, because comparison is made between two. Okay. So here the topic is getting end, and I hope you liked my video. If you liked our video, then please do not forget to like and share my video, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel IBT Malad Mumbai. Thank you guys.